So hi guys, welcome back to the Handbuilt Cars YouTube channel, and today I decided to do something a bit different that I usually do on Fridays. So here you are, footage of me driving around Southern California, Orange County. I used to live there, and yeah, it's such a good memories because it was my first GoPro camera and I got it with a suction cup. So I mounted to my windshield and recorded everywhere where I go. I was super stoked about this feature back then, so I made like quite a few time-lapse videos of me driving around, but I never published them. It was just like for personal joy. And yeah, it's good memories. And by the way, this is a Nissan Sentra 1984, Nissan Datsun Sentra 1984. So yeah, it's a quite cool car that I miss. Yeah, but let's talk about something else. So yeah, right now in UK we have a national lockdown, so which means that I cannot go out and film cars and the builders who are building the cars. So what do I do with a lot of free time? Because at the same time I lost my job as well. I'm unemployed. Cool. What can be better than this? Thanks, Corona. So yeah, I started to learn again 3D modeling because I want to build my own car, and I already did a couple drawings and sketches about the car that I want to build, like design. So yeah, those drawings are like in 2D space, but I need something in the 3D to fully understand if I want to go in this direction or I need to change and twist something before I actually build, like yeah, it's something like that. Yeah, but so yeah, it's quite difficult to learn something new, especially from YouTube videos, where if you make a mistake, you don't understand what mistake you made. You just write down the comment, and then probably in a month or two you're gonna receive the answer from someone, which is difficult, like, but it is what it is. Have to stay home, have to stay safe, and yeah. And the other thing is that, like, I had the chance to play around with Adobe After Effects. Before that I used Adobe After Effects mainly for video stabilization or blurring something out. And that's it, like, since for the past 3 years on the build videos I have the same intro, quite boring intro, like there's the logo on one side and then there's a make and model and year on one side, and yeah, it's kind of boring, so I decided to kind of upgrade with something flashier and better looking. And so I made like there's 5 designs, one with neon, then neon, gas burning something I don't know how to call it, and then the fire, and then the glitch 3D, and then raindrop. So check it out and let me know what you think about it. Hope you like at least something. If not, then not. Like, just let me know. Be honest. So yeah, and I'll probably make some few more, and gonna make like follow-up video about it. I might use them, might not use them. So I need to update as well, like this Garage Stories logo, like logo intro, and because that one I did, it was kind of like, it looks cool, but they don't have like this kind of 3D feel, and like it's I try to make it like 3D, but it still feels like 2D. So yeah, probably I'm gonna redo that one, yeah, in the future. But yeah, I try to keep myself busy during this lockdown. It's really easy to get super depressed by sitting in 4 walls and watching other YouTubers how they're buying new cars and they're spending like tons of money And then you're thinking like, how the hell they have so much money? I cannot even afford to buy or fix the tires. My tires are leaking air, and every time I need to go to the shop, I have to spend like some time to pump the tires. So yeah, if someone has a tire company and wants to send me tires, please feel free. Because I cannot afford to fix them, I cannot afford to buy new ones. So it's probably due to their age, they're leaking air, and yeah. But yeah, it is what it is. By the way, if you want to help, we have a Patreon page. You can become our Patreon and donate something. Even $1 is okay. And I'm gonna make time to time like videos about my Patreons, and I'm gonna just like name who they are. If they have some business, I can promote them if you wish, and say something good about it. So become my Patreon and support Handbuilt Cars. And the other thing is that we have a merch store. I made some cool designs, and I spent like many days on those designs, so hope you appreciate that. And yeah, there's gonna be a link down below this video to the merch store, to the Patreon, and yeah. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot that soon, I hope it's gonna be soon, that this lockdown gonna end, so I can film more cars and film more interviews for a YouTube channel. If you have a cool car that you build, modified, or you just have like a good story with the car, just feel free to message me on Instagram, Handbuilt Cars, or via email address, handbuiltcars@hotmail.com. So yeah, I'll be happy to do it, because this is the thing that I like and I enjoy doing it. So yeah guys, if you have something to say, just feel free, comment down below. See you soon guys, stay safe.